Okay, I'm just gonna throw this in right quick. This is my log. Remember, I did 3 hits. So the first hit I did, I actually got my power out to 100%, which actually no, that's not 100%. So the first hit was the light. Let's hide all the rest of these so we can get a better understanding of what I'm looking for in my cars. So the first thing I'm concerned with is my power out right here. This is my power out, and you see I have a maximum of 100%. So that happened actually on the third hit. So the third hit, I actually maxed it out right here. So that's 100%. That's what that 100% is on power out. So if you go back to the first hit, when I started out, and you put the line on that first one, you look at the power out, and it was at 58. So that's what a mouse is at 58%. This power out here, let me try to get that right for you. That power out was at 75%. And then my biggest power, power out was 100%, which is what I was actually going for. So you see the power out right there. It's almost at the end. So that power out was it was 100% max. So then other things you want to look for, because we're just going to focus on this last run. You can look for your BEC voltage. That's fine. Mine went to 7.5, which I have it set for 7.4, I believe. Yeah, you see the average right there is 7.4 for the BEC voltage. That's for the steering and stuff like that. Throttle, you're not really concerned. I'm not concerned with throttle. Output RPM. Now, if you notice, the output RPM is right there. So the maximum was 9,006 RPM. And that's pretty much where your power out's going to be. It's going to be close to your power out. So that's a good thing as well. Motor RPM, that's the red line. That's okay. I mean, wait a minute. Motor RPM. Oh, wait a minute. I got the same 2 colors. So I got to change one of those colors. So the motor RPM is about the same as your output RPM. So that's cool. They're both the same. That's a good thing. So let's see. Yeah, that's the good thing. Controller temp is that's your ESC. Your power. Again, I'm gonna get rid of everything but the power out. Power is just the power you're kicking out. I'm not really sure about that one. But battery current, you want to look at your battery current, and your battery current will rise. It'll go up with your power out as well. Your battery ripple, That's the capacitor pack. So you notice that that's up there as well. But it goes up and then it kind of fills in. It'll fill in where you need power. So when you get that, when you start out, it'll be maxed out, and then you get that lunge or that 100%, and then it'll fill in for that voltage. And your battery voltage here, you notice where your battery voltage drops and you're maxed out on your power out, your throttle pull. So when I held the throttle in, this is when I held the throttle in. Your battery's going to drop. So when they say, well, I always tell people, if you're going to do speed runs, you need to be at least running 5,000 plus feet. Why? Because when the longer you hold 100%, that battery is going to come back up to normal. So if you're maxed out in the first 200 yards and your voltage drops, the next 300 yards, your voltage is going to be trying to climb back up. And that's where you're going to get your real speeds from, is when your voltage has a chance to rejuvenate itself and come back into play. But if you don't want to, you want to run shorts, like 1,000, 2,000 feet is nothing on a speed run. 5,000 plus feet, or as far as you can see, is going to be helpful for you. So you have to get out there and you have to run that car as far back as you can see it. So this is actually a really good pull right here. That's like a normal speed run, basically, because you got all your parts here, just like a normal speed run. So I would say that that's a good speed run, and this car is ready to be ran. And this is the purpose and the reason that I built the I would call it a dyno, because I could check, what I need to check and make sure my car is ready to run. But again, please sub to my channel, and there's going to be more content like this. As soon as it warms up, I'm going to be comparing these charts to each other, seeing the differences and what's going on. Again, this was only 3S. This is not 4S. This was not 8S. I'm only going off of 3S, and my first couple of runs will be 3S. It's not going to be any 4S or 8S. So always start low and then you go up from there. But Facebook channel is the RC Lifestyle. Please go over and check that channel out on Facebook. Sign up. People over there are helpful. If somebody's not being helpful, I'm going to check. I'm going to see it. I'm going to get rid of them. If you ask a question and your question is not answered, or the question is answered and you don't have an answer, just send me a message and let me know, and I'll take care of it. I'll try to get you an answer of your question, or I'll ask the person to give you a better response. But these are my numbers. I'm only running the 3S, like I said. These are all my numbers. And that's my chart. Thanks for watching. Please come back. Check me out again. Again, there's going to be additional content coming. Ciao.